We are a little bright. Let's dim it down a little, shall we? All right. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is getting old, isn't it? But how else am I gonna intro myself? So let's just get into it, okay? Hey guys, it's Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, subscribe. If you guys are old, welcome back. Anyways, today I'm back with another product review. I think my YouTube channel is pretty notorious for trying out weird, kind of fun skincare stuff. And here today I have the Holika Smooth Egg Skin Peeling Gel. I mean, look at these guys. They're eggs. Oh my gosh, super cute. Anyways, it's basically a smooth peeling gel. And if you open it, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this cuteness? Look, so cute. So they come in a white one and a brown one. And honestly, I think it's just preference for color, whatever color you want your eggs to be, because they do the exact same thing. Okay, these Holika smooth peeling gel eggs also retail for about $11.99 on Ulta.com. I'm sure you can find them elsewhere on the internet, but I thought I'd at least give you guys something that's more accessible. So this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna do a review / try it on with you guys to see how we feel about it in first impressions. Now I'm gonna kind of read you guys what it does for you. I don't really know it, so let's read together. Basically, what it is and what it says it does is basically it's an intensive facial gommage peeling with a gel texture that relieves acne, white and blackheads. Ooh, perfect. It's also good for combination skin and skin that is prone to have imperfections. Like every other skin, we all don't got perfect skin. It's a peeling gommage type gel, contains blueberry, sugarcane, sugar maple, orange, lemon, and egg yolk extracts. So the extract of the egg yolk helps to stimulate the activity of the skin glands and enzymes, helps to soften the skin, smooth wrinkles, improves firmness, and the elasticity of the skin. Basically, okay, this is going to exfoliate your dry skin, leaving it very elastic, firm, gives you anti-aging properties, and basically your face is going to feel like a baby's butt. Soft and smooth, perfect, and all that, and it's supposed to radiate and all that good stuff. So let's try it. So before I exfoliate, I actually like to just get my face a little bit wet so that when I apply it, it's smoother. So now that my face is damp, I'm going to squeeze. Oh, there we go. So I squeezed about this much on. I don't know if you can see it, it's pretty clear. And then I'm just gonna put it into my skin. So the consistency is very light and it feels just like a cleanser, but when you start rubbing it into your skin, you start to feel your skin coming off. Like, I don't know if you can see up close, but if you can see my fingers, you can see the skin that I exfoliated right now just from rubbing. So very nice. Okay, and it's very gentle. Wow, I have a lot of skin rolling and peeling off my face. And then I'm just gonna rinse it. So first off, what I noticed from these types of peeling gels is that usually they add stuff in there to make it feel like your skin is rolling off. And I know that for a fact because I tried it on my hands and just kind of playing with it. And I'm like, okay, my fingers are not that dry for it to do that. So I know they added stuff in there to make it feel like you really peeled off your skin. So what I did when I tested this is I used it once and I scrubbed off whatever I thought was coming off, and I went back and did it again. And a good exfoliator, if you do it again, you should be able to not have to exfoliate a lot of things anymore. It should all have been gone the first try. And when I did it the second time, nothing peeled off. Like, there was nothing to peel off. So I already automatically think this is a really great product that it does that. Secondly, my skin looks a lot brighter than it did earlier. Also, my skin feels very elastic, which is nice because I have dry skin, so sometimes my face can feel not so elastic when I have dry skin. It feels very coarse sometimes, so I like that. Also, if you touch my skin, it honestly feels like brand new soft skin. So, I mean, I don't know what else you'd want from an exfoliator like this, but I really give these like NA, and I'm for sure gonna continue using them because one, it's super gentle, the fragrance is really nice, and I feel like it really works. Like my skin looks great. Like for a girl who has dry skin, this is not bad at all. I highly recommend. However, just a disclaimer, this is a first impression, try it out kind of video, and the results that I got for 1-day use were pretty good, and I will continue to use it to see if I end up liking it still or not. So it's really hard to just judge that this is a super great product because it's only my first try, but for my first try, first impressions mean a lot, and it did great. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this type of reviews from me still. Let me know in the comments down below what other weird products out there you want me to test out. I'll be happy to be the tester. And let me know if you guys are already using this product in the comments below, and let me know how you guys like it and if you've seen a lot more improvement over a time of use. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell button so you get notified each time I upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it entertaining. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!